I'm back. Today we will be discussing about how to multiply polynomials. In multiplying polynomials, you should have a prior knowledge about the different laws of exponents for multiplication. You should be good at multiplying integers. And the third one is applying about distributive property of multiplication. Let's now have the first example. Our first example is x times x minus y. Okay, if you have a parenthesis, it's automatic that you will be distributing this one, the first one, x by x and x by y. So what do you think is the answer? The answer is x times x, x squared. X times negative y, the answer is negative xy. As simple as that. Can you follow? Alright, that's our example number 1. Our example number 2 is 5m squared times 2m minus 3. Okay, same thing. Distribute. So the answer is 5 times 2, the answer is 10m. Okay, this will be same basis, 2 and then 1. So it should be to the third power. And then 5m squared, multiply it by negative 3. So what do you think is the answer? 5 times 3, 5 minus 3, or 5 times negative 3, the answer is negative 15. There's no variable here. There's a variable. Just simply copy. Okay, that's it. Can still follow? Alright. Next. Our third example is 3x squared times negative 2x minus 4. Alright. Okay, distribute. What is the answer? Negative. This time it's negative 6. X raised to the third power. Okay, why third power? Because 2 and then 1 to the third power. And then 3x squared times negative 4. The answer is negative 12x squared. Okay. And this is your final answer. Alright. Our fourth example is multiplying binomial by another binomial. If you say binomial, consists of two terms. Okay, let's try. So x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 3. Okay, again, distributive property. 1 by 1. X times 4, x times x. The answer is x squared. And then x times negative 3. Okay, the answer is negative 3x. And then 4 times x, the answer is positive 4x. And then positive 4 times negative 3, the answer is negative 12. So, what have you noticed here? This is not yet your final answer. What do you think the reason why it is not yet your final answer? Because it consists of like terms. How do we know if the terms are like? Can you still remember? Okay. Like terms are the terms that with like bases and like exponents. So you have negative 3x plus 4x. What will give you? X squared, just bring down. Positive x minus 12. And this time, this is your final answer. Okay. Next, let's now proceed to second to the last example. I have the quantity of 2x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. Okay, just follow the same thing. Okay, 2x times x, the answer is 2x squared. And then 2x times 3, the answer is positive 6x. And then negative 3 times x, the answer is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 3, the answer is negative 9. Okay. Like terms would be, and our final answer would be, since these are like terms, our final answer is 2x squared positive 3x minus 9. Alright? And our last example is the quantity of 3x minus 5 squared. What's the meaning of that? Okay, that is, you will multiply 3x minus 5 to itself how many times? 3x minus 5. This is the expanded way of doing it. Okay, same thing. 3x times 3x. 3x times negative 5. Negative 5 times 3x. Negative 5 times negative 5. Okay, so you have 3x times 3x. You have 9x squared. So 3x times negative 5, the answer is negative 15x. So negative 5 times 3x, negative 15x. And negative 5 times negative 5, the answer is positive 25. Okay, like terms. So what would be the final answer? 9x squared. So like terms, negative 15x and negative 15x. It will give you negative 30x. Okay, and bring down 25. Alright, there you have it. This is again how to multiply polynomials. You have 3 things to consider. They are, you must be good at distributive property of multiplication. You must be good at multiplying integers and loads of exponents for multiplication. I hope that you learned something today. Again, this is Teacher Annie. Have a good day.